A hunting knife serves not just as a tool, but as a potential heirloom passed down through generations. When selecting your next knife, prioritize longevity and practicality. The primary function of a hunting knife is to efficiently process game both in the field and on the meat pole, necessitating a blade that maintains sharpness and durability. It should also handle everyday tasks such as splitting kindling and cutting rope. By choosing a knife with these qualities, you ensure that future users will appreciate its reliability. In this guide, we've curated a selection of the best hunting knives available. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are in the description. Number 5. CRKT BIWA. The CRKT BIWA offers a combination of performance and convenience. Priced at $49.99, the BIWA features a blade length of 3.02 inches and a blade thickness of 0.11 inches. Its overall length is 6.63 inches, and it weighs a mere 2 ounces with the sheath, making it incredibly easy to carry during backcountry hunts. The handle of the BIWA is crafted from G10, a high-pressure fiberglass laminate, which is both lightweight and extremely durable. One of the most appealing aspects of the BIWA is its nod to the trout and bird knives of the past, which were valued for their simplicity and effectiveness. The BIWA's design includes an 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, known for its ability to hold an edge while being relatively easy to sharpen. The full tang construction ensures that the knife is sturdy and durable, capable of handling various hunting tasks without compromising on strength. The knife's hard plastic, molded sheath holds it securely and includes an optional belt loop for easy access. While the included lanyard is too small to be practical, it does offer an additional carrying option. However, the BIWA does have a few drawbacks. Its small size, while advantageous for weight-conscious hunters, limits its effectiveness for larger cutting tasks. Additionally, the blade's thin profile makes it less suitable for heavy-duty work, such as splitting kindling or prying. The 8CR13 MOV stainless steel, although easy to sharpen, does not hold an edge as long as higher-end steels, requiring more frequent maintenance. Number 4. Buck 110 Slim. The Buck 110 Slim is a modern take on a classic design, offering the perfect balance between tradition and innovation. Priced at $43, this folding knife features a blade length of 3.75 inches and an overall length of 8.6 inches when open and 4.8 inches when folded. The blade is crafted from stainless 420 steel with BOS heat treatment, ensuring excellent edge retention and durability. One of the key features of the Buck 110 Slim is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 2.8 ounces, it's significantly lighter than the original Buck 110, making it more comfortable to carry during extended hunting trips. The handle is made from glass-filled nylon, which is both durable and lightweight. The slim profile of the handle, combined with the thumb studs for easy opening, makes this knife a practical choice for field dressing and other hunting tasks. However, the Buck 110 Slim is not without its drawbacks. While the knife is ideal for field dressing and light cutting tasks, it is not designed for heavy-duty use. The thin blade and lightweight construction make it less suitable for tasks such as battening wood or prying. Additionally, some users may find the GFN handle less aesthetically pleasing compared to the classic wood handles of traditional Buck 110 knives. Number 3. Montana Knife Blackfoot 2.0. The Montana Knife Blackfoot 2.0 stands out as the best handmade hunting knife in 2024, offering exceptional quality and craftsmanship. Priced at $300, this knife features a blade length of 3.5 inches and an overall length of 7.75 inches. The blade is made from 52,100 steel, a high-carbon alloy known for its toughness and ability to hold a sharp edge. The knife weighs 3.6 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle during hunting trips. One of the key features of the Blackfoot 2.0 is its G10 handle, which provides a comfortable and secure grip. The handle is ergonomically designed to fit naturally in the hand, allowing for precise control during cutting tasks. The sculpted G10 scales offer a significant improvement over standard flat scales found on many mass-produced knives, enhancing both grip and comfort. However, the Blackfoot 2.0 does have a few drawbacks. Its high price may be a barrier for some hunters, especially those on a budget. Additionally, the 52100 steel, while durable, is not stainless and requires regular maintenance to prevent rust. This can be a drawback for hunters who prefer low-maintenance tools. The knife's blade length, while versatile, may be considered too short for some larger cutting tasks. Number 2. Outdoor Edge Razorlite. The Outdoor Edge Razorlite is a top choice for hunters who value convenience and reliability, offering a practical solution with its replaceable blade system. Priced at $35, the Razorlite features a blade length of 3.5 inches and is made from Japanese 420J2 stainless steel. The knife weighs 6.4 ounces, including a nylon pouch for easy carrying and storage. One of the key advantages of the Razorlite is its ease of use. The knife's replaceable blade system eliminates the need for sharpening, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. However, the Razorlite is not without its drawbacks. While the replaceable blade system is convenient, it may not be as durable as a traditional fixed blade or folding knife. The blades, although easy to replace, can become gummed up with use, requiring regular cleaning to maintain functionality. Additionally, the knife's rubberized handle, while providing a secure grip, may wear out over time with heavy use. Overall, the Outdoor Edge Razorlite is an excellent choice for hunters who value convenience and reliability. Number 1. Benchmade 15700 Flyway. The Benchmade 15700 Flyway is the best light fixed-blade hunting knife, combining high functionality and lightweight design. Priced at $180, this knife features a blade length of 2.7 inches and a blade thickness of 3/32 inches. The blade is made from CPM 154 steel, known for its toughness and excellent edge retention. The knife weighs 2.1 ounces, making it one of the lightest fixed-blade knives on the market. One of the key features of the Flyway is its ergonomic design. The handle is crafted from G10, a durable and lightweight material that provides a secure grip. The knife's design includes jimping along the spine and a pinky hook, which enhances grip and control during cutting tasks. The knife is designed for a pinch grip, which is ideal for precise cuts and skinning tasks. The Flyway's blade shape is versatile and well-suited for hunting tasks. The slight drop point and ample belly make it perfect for skinning and field dressing game. The knife's fine point is ideal for making the initial cut up the animal's body, and the blade's length allows for easy control when reaching into the chest cavity. The blade's 14-degree bevel ensures a sharp edge that can handle detailed work. However, the Flyway does have a few drawbacks. Its small blade size, while advantageous for precise tasks, limits its utility for larger cutting jobs. Additionally, the knife's lightweight design, while reducing fatigue, may not provide the same level of durability as heavier, more robust knives when used for heavy-duty tasks. The price, at $180, is also a consideration, as it is higher than many other hunting knives on the market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.